Hello, hello everyone. How are you today? How are you doing? Happy Salah. How are you doing? How's everybody? How's your hand? I hope you're doing fine. Okay. You're welcome to Wisdom Channel. Welcome to Wisdom Channel where we enlighten ourselves about the happenings around us and in Nigeria. And today I want to talk about uh, Yoruba people. Yoruba people is what I want to talk about today, and I want to admonish our Yoruba people to rise up for Sunday Igboho, as Sunday Igboho have been arrested in Benin Republic. We want all our Yoruba leaders to rise up because attack on Sunday Igboho is an attack on Yoruba race. Yoruba race. Buhari cannot be using his Fulani power to attack Yoruba people. Sunday Igboho has not done anything criminal, so it should not be handed over to Nigeria government. Benin Republic, please do not release Sunday Igboho to Nigeria government, please. Then again, I want to talk to all our people, all our Yoruba people. Before any religion, we are first Yoruba people, and we have our own religion before they brought Islamic religion and Christianity religion. I was just reading through the newspaper yesterday, and I saw that Morik, Baba Morik, is threatening Oyo State Governor Seyi Makinde, that the Muslim will not vote for him, will not support his second term. Baba Morik, we want you to withdraw that your statement. Oyo State is not for Muslim alone, it's for everybody. And again, we don't want any religion anarchy in Oyo State. Stop using religion as a weapon of political campaign. Baba Morik, stop using religion. Don't use religion to divide us in Oyo State. Baba Morik, don't use religion to divide the Yoruba people. We Yoruba people, we are Yoruba people. Islam, Christianity, they are all strange religion that was brought to us. Morik, don't use religion to divide Oyo State. In a family in Oyo State, in a family in Yoruba land, we have traditional worshipper, we have Muslim, we have Christian. Morik, don't use religion to divide Yoruba people. We are warning you, Baba Morik, don't use religion to divide Yoruba people. We don't want religion. We don't want you people to use religion as a weapon of political campaign. Don't use religion to divide Yoruba people. That was what you people used to create problem in Nigeria. Don't create religious problem in your state and in Yoruba land. Baba Morik, we are warning you, all Yoruba elders, all Yoruba people, youth, arise. We don't want any religious anarchy, religious problem in Yoruba land. Before Islam and Christianity, Yoruba has been in existence with our traditions, please. And those of us who accepted the foreign religion, they should not disturb those who did not accept. And Baba Morik cannot be using religion as a political weapon. No, it is not acceptable. It is not acceptable in Yoruba land. You cannot use religion as a political weapon. Never. We don't want it. We don't want it. We don't want that evil strategy. Baba Morik, stop that evil. Stop the evil. Stop the evil. When Muslim was there, all Christians supported them. So in Yoruba land, we have Muslim, we have Christian, we have traditional worshipper in a family. Don't divide us. Don't divide us. We don't want any religious anarchy in Yoruba land, in any part of Yoruba land. Morik, we know you are working for the government. You are government agents, and that is it. You are working for APC and federal government. So mind yourself. Face your religious activity. You are not a politician. You are not supposed to put your mouth into politics. And if you are a politician, that is for your own purpose. Don't involve religion in politics. We don't want any religion to be involved in this one. This one will not vote for the Christian because the Christian is because a Muslim. We don't want it in Yoruba land. We don't want it in Yoruba land. So please don't bring those evil ideas into Yoruba land. That's what you want to use to divide the people, divide and rule. We don't want divide and rule strategy. That divide and rule. And I listened to one man that was speaking to Ibukunle Amosun some times ago, that the population of the Muslim in the Yoruba land are more than that of Christian. That's a big lie. We are not buying into it. That lie is a fallacy. It's a fallacy. We are not buying into it. It's a lie. It's a big lie that the population of the Muslims in the southwest are more than the Christian. That's a lie. That's a big lie, blatant lie. We are not buying into it. Don't use that to divide us. Don't use religion to divide us in the south, in Yoruba land. We have 3 religions in Yoruba land. We have traditional worshipper, we have Christianity, we have Muslim. So that is it. That is it. So and no religion should oppress each other. Morik is now threatening the governor. What kind of nonsense is that? We have to stop. You have to stop all those nonsense. It is not acceptable in Yoruba land. Baba Morik, we hear clearly. Because government is paying you money, you now want to be using that one to threaten the governor. The governor has right to use his initiative to do the right thing. You cannot be using religion to threaten him that the Muslim will not vote for him. What kind of nonsense is that? Baba Morik, mind yourself. Don't use religion to divide Yoruba people. Yoruba people arise against Morik, arise against anyone that want to use religion to divide us. We Yoruba people, we don't want any division. We don't want religious anarchy in Yoruba land. It is prohibited. We don't want any religious intolerance in Yoruba land. We are civilized people. In a house, we have Muslim, we have pagan, we have traditional worshipper. I won't call them pagan. We have traditional worshipper and we have Christian. So you cannot be threatening the governor in your second term. When this other man was there, that was a Muslim, did any Christian come out and threaten him that they will not support you in your second time? That's nonsense. If you want something, if you have any issue or with him, go and meet him and resolve it. Go and resolve it. Don't say the Muslim will not vote for you for your second time. What kind of nonsense is that? Don't use religion to divide the people for your state. Don't use religion to divide the Yoruba people. Baba Morik and all other people that are engaged in that illicit activity. We Yoruba, we say no to religious intolerance. We say no to politicalizing our religion. We don't want it. Don't put religion and politics together. They are two different things. Just like Oba, just like we have our monarchs. Say, if a Muslim monarch is there, will he now say he will not govern the Christian and the pagans that are there? The Oba Balori everybody ni. The governor is the governor of everybody, and no Muslim, no section of the of the religious sect will now be threatening him because he belongs to the other faith. That is wrong. We have to get it straight. No religious intolerance in Yoruba nation. In Yoruba nation, we don't want it. We don't want it. We don't want that divide and rule strategy. We don't want it. We say no to it. Every Yoruba person say no. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yoruba ẹ dìde. Baba Morik yìí tẹ́ ń sọ tẹ́ ń dún kòkò lálà mọ́ gọ́vnà wípé àwọn Muslim ò ní vote fún gọ́vnà. Ẹ tú dànù. Ẹ tú dànù. Ẹ tú dànù. Tẹ́ bá ní ẹni issue pẹ̀lú gọ́vnà ẹ lọ resolve ẹ̀. Kì í ṣe pé kẹ́ máa wá kẹ́ máa bọ́ta kẹ́ máa sọ pé ní àwọn Muslim ò ní vote fún. Àwa ò fẹ́ ẹ má fi ẹ̀sìn ẹlẹ́sìnmẹ̀sìn ẹlẹ́yàmẹ̀yà kẹ́ fi tú ran Yorùbá ká. Táwọn gọ́vnà àwọn Haúsá bá ti gbówó fún yín kékeré wá máa fẹ̀sìn tú wa ká kẹ́ máa fẹ̀yìn sìn dà wá láàmú. Bàbá Morik kẹ́ ṣọ́ra yín ẹ lọ dá owó wọn padà fún wọn. Ṣé ti gbọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ẹ lọ dá owó wọn padà fún wọn. Kí ló dé? Àwa ò fẹ́ ẹlẹ́sìnmẹ̀sìn àwa ò fẹ́ ẹlẹ́yàmẹ̀yà níran Yorùbá. Ìran Yorùbá nínú ilé kan Mùsùlùmí wà ń bẹ̀, Kírísítẹ́nì wà ń bẹ̀, àwọn ẹlẹ́sìn àbáláyé wọ́n wà ń bẹ̀. So inú ilé kan nìyẹn. So bọ̀ kẹ́kẹ́ yìí wá máa bọ́ta pé àwọn Mùsùlùmí ò ní dìbò fún gọ́vnà torí pé ó jẹ́ Kírísítẹ́nì. Kò yẹ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Tí dọ́rù ti gbọ́ mi sí omi ò tó bá wà láàrin èèyàn àti gọ́vnà fún ìdí kan àbí kejì ẹ lọ rí ẹ má fi ẹ̀sìn threaten ẹ má fi ẹlẹ́sìnmẹ̀sìn ẹ má fi ẹlẹ́yàmẹ̀yà wo òṣèlú àwo òfẹ́ ẹ má fi ti ẹ̀sìn ẹlẹ́yàmẹ̀yà ẹlẹ́sìnmẹ̀sìn wọ ti òṣèlú nílẹ̀ Yorùbá àwo ẹ ṣe ìran Yorùbá ò kì í ṣe káwo ká fiye tàwọn ọlọ́balọ́ba wo àwọn ọba wa àwọn ọba ni wọ́n jẹ́ fún Christian ọba ni wọ́n jẹ́ fún Muslim ọba ni wọ́n jẹ́ fún pagan traditional worshipper. No pagan, they are not pagan, traditional worshipper. Ṣé wọ́n wá sọ pé ní àwọn òní àtẹ àwọn òní ṣọba lórí àwọn Christian àwọn òní ṣọba lórí àwọn Muslim ni. Ẹ má gbé gbogbo nǹkan tí ò yẹ yẹn ẹ má tiẹ̀ gbé wọ rárá. Àwọn ò fẹ́ nílẹ̀ Yorùbá o àwọn ò fẹ́ lẹ́sìnmẹ̀sìn ẹlẹ́yàmẹ̀yà àfẹ́ nǹkan tó bà Nàìjíríà jẹ́ nìyẹn. Nǹkan tó bà orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà jẹ́ débi tó abadé lọ́wọ́ báyìí nísinsìnyí yẹn tí gbogbo wa fi ń sọ pa fẹ́ lọ. Tó bá gbowó fún yín pé kẹ́ máa fi ẹlẹ́sìnmẹ̀sìn kẹ́ máa threaten gọ́vnà ẹ lọ dá owó wọn padà fún wọn o. Ṣé ti gbọ́ Baba Morik ẹ lè threaten gọ́vnà o ẹ lè threaten anybody. Ṣé ti gbọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn owó wá gbowó náà gbé fún yín ẹ lọ dá owó wọn padà fún wọn. Kò jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ kò jẹ́ bó ṣe jẹ́. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ ìyá mi gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ Ìbàdàn ọmọ Ọ̀yọ́ state ẹ gbọ́ gbogbo ẹlẹ́sìnmẹ̀sìn ẹlẹ́yàmẹ̀yà táwọn Morik tó ti gbowó lọ́wọ́ ìjọba Buhari tó wọ́n fẹ́ gbé wá sí ọ̀dọ̀ àwa Yorùbá láti fi dà wá rú ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ gbà o ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ gbà. Morik ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún Fúlàní ni àwọn Fúlàní ni Baba Morik ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún láti fi wá da ìran Yorùbá rí kẹ́nu wá lè má kò. So ẹjọ́ o wọ́n ní pánsá òfura pánsá jáná so mo fẹ́ ká fura ẹ má jà gba ẹlẹ́sìnmẹ̀sìn ẹlẹ́yàmẹ̀yà kankan láàyè níran Yorùbá àwọn èṣe inú ìdílé kan Mùsùlùmí wà ń bẹ ẹlẹ́sìn àbáláyé wà ń bẹ oní Kristẹni wọ́n wà ń bẹ gbogbo aládẹjọ́ ń bára wa ṣe papọ̀. Kò jẹ́ nǹkan tí mo ní kí n sọ fún gbogbo ìran Yorùbá. So kálẹ̀ tó máa gbàdúrà lórí fún Sunday Igboho gbogbo awuyewuye ìjọba Buhari lórí rẹ̀ kọ́lọ́n sọ di asán gbogbo ìmọ̀ ọ̀tá lórí ẹ̀ kọ́lọ́n sọ di asán kọ́lọ́n gbé lékè dé gbogbo àwọn èèyàn wa tó wà ní àhámọ́ kọ́lọ́n gbà wọ́n jáde fún wa láyọ̀ àtàlàáfíà. Gbogbo àwa ìran Yorùbá ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣera wa lọ́kan ká máa dìde ìrànlọ́wọ́ fúnra wa ká mọ ranra wa lọ́wọ́ ká sì gbáradì. Wọ́n ní ojú lalákan fi ń ṣọ́rí ẹ jẹ́ ká bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ni máa fojú ṣọ́rí. Ẹ má jẹ́ àsun àsùnpìyè ẹ má jẹ́ ká sun àsùnpara. Ṣé ti gbọ́ so gbogbo ìmọ̀ tí àwọn gbogbo ète àwọn Haúsá àwọn Fúlàní lórí gbogbo àwọn ẹ̀yà tó kù Ọlọ́run á gbà wá lọ́wọ́ wọn káwa náà pinnu láti kúrò ní Nàìjíríà so gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá ti fíìlì fọ́ọ̀mù NINAS yín ẹ lọ fíìlì NINAS fọ́ọ̀mù yín, ẹ lọ sí wẹ́bsáìtì NINAS kẹ́ ẹ lọ fíìlì fọ́ọ̀mù yín NINAS NINAS.org/demand DEMAND referendum REFERENDUM referendum. So ẹ lọ sí wẹ́bsáìtì yẹn kẹ́ ẹ lọ fíìlì fọ́ọ̀mù yín, ó ṣe pàtàkì kẹ́ ẹ lọ fíìlì fọ́ọ̀mù yín. Ẹ sọ fún mọ̀mọ́, ẹ sọ fún bàbá, ẹ sọ fọ́mọdé, ẹ sọ fágbà kán lọ fíìlì fọ́ọ̀mù wọn. Ọlọ́run ràn wá lọ́wọ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni ẹ̀yin bàbá wa, ẹ̀yin lọ́balọ́ba wa nílẹ̀ káàárọ̀ òjíire, pàápàá jùlọ lọ́yọ̀ọ́ state, afẹ́kẹ́ gbárùkùtù ti gómìnà. Gbogbo wa la mọ̀ bó ṣe ń lọ. Gbogbo àwọn gómìnà PDP ni àwọn APC wọ́n ń fi àwọn jàǹdùkú náà fi lọ ń da ìlú wọn rú so that wọ́n fi lè kúrò ní APC, wọ́n fi kúrò ní PDP, wọ́n fi lè join APC. Gbogbo ìdúkòkò mọ́ni tó ń ṣe ní Ọ̀yọ́ state, wọ́n ṣàfẹ́ kí Ṣèyí Mákindé kó náà kúrò ní PDP ni kó lè bọ́ sí APC. So ẹ̀yin bàbá wa, afẹ́kẹ́yìn náà kẹ́ gbárùkùtù tí kẹ́ ràn lọ́wọ́, kẹ́ ràn lọ́wọ́ ni kó lè ṣàṣeyọrí. A lè ti sọ pé ní Yorùbá nation tá fẹ́ dálẹ̀, gbogbo àwọn èèyàn wa ní state kọ̀ọ̀kan a máa ṣe rotation ni. Rotation bẹ́lẹ̀ bá ṣe, tí local government bá ṣe tó ṣe ní ọdún 5, another local government náà tún ṣe ní ọdún 5. Bẹ́ẹ̀ la ṣe fẹ́ máa ṣe ní Yorùbá nation tá fẹ́ dálẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni ti gbogbo àwọn àǹfààní tó wà ń bẹ nìyẹn. Yóò dẹ̀ lè káàkiri, ló lè yíká, kò ní sí pé local government yìí wọ́n yàn wọ́n jẹ. Gbogbo local government ní each state ni ó mọ ní àǹfààní láti máa present president governor títí ní state level and national level náà. Gbogbo àwọn state tó bá wà ní under ní Yorùbá nation yẹn náà ni wọ́n ṣe bí wọ́n ṣe máa rotate ẹ̀. Tí Lagos bá ṣe fún 5 years, then Èkìtì state náà máa ṣe fún another 5 years. Tí Èkìtì bá tún gbé kalẹ̀, Ọ̀yọ́ state náà tún gbà. Tí Ọ̀yọ́ state bá gbé kalẹ̀ after 5 years, Ògùn state náà tún gbà. Tí Ògùn state bá gbé kalẹ̀, Ondo state á tún gbà. Ọ̀ṣun, tí Ondo bá gbé kalẹ̀, Ọ̀ṣun náà gbà. So bí ó ṣe máa rotate nìyẹn, á dẹ̀ kárí. Kò ní jẹ́ pé àwọn kan wọ́n yàn wọ́n jẹ. Ìdàgbàsókè á dẹ̀ lè wà nígbà tó yẹ pé everybody ti mọ̀ pé 5 years lòun máa lò tóun lọ kóun ṣe ti tòun kóun kúrò ń bẹ̀. Ìyẹn gan máa fààyè fún ìdàgbàsókè, torí ó ti fààyè fún competition. Ó ti fààyè kalẹ̀ fún competition. So Ọlọ́run á ràn wá lọ́wọ́ o. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, a fẹ́ ká gbáradì. Yorùbá nation òní kókó. Resources tá ní nílẹ̀ Yorùbá á lè manage ẹ̀. Kì í ṣe gbogbo èyí tá ń kó gbogbo nǹkan tá ń rí tá ń kó lọ sí ilẹ̀ Haúsá. Tá dẹ̀ ṣe ń kó lọ sí ilẹ̀ Haúsá, wọn ò fún wa ní nǹkan kan. So a kàn wá ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún wọn náà fi ń pè wá lẹ́rú. Àwọn ìṣẹ́rú o, àwọn òṣèrú Fúlàní o, àwọn òṣèrú ẹnikẹ́ni mọ́ lórúkọ Jésù. So ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbáradì, ká dìde, ká lọ fíìlì fọ́ọ̀mù NINAS wa. Ọlọ́run ràn wá lọ́wọ́. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you.